Any Tamil word that is used as an English word? Yes, anyone? Yes, catamaran. Catamaran is a Tamil word which is known as kattumaram. So catamaran is a foreign word. Yes, can anyone say any other word? Koya. Very good. Koya is an English word now. The original word is kayiru. The word kayiru has become koya in English. So koya is a foreign word. And now here we are going to have a list of foreign words. Shall you look at it? Yes. The first word. Can anyone read the word? A-D-H-O-C. The pronunciation of the word is ad hoc. Ad hoc. Yeah. The meaning of the word is for this, and it is Latin origin. And if you want to explain ad hoc, it is when necessary or needed. Example, the group was constituted ad hoc. And ad hoc has another meaning, that is for this purpose only. Example, these discussions were on an ad hoc basis. Ad hoc is a foreign word. Let us go for the next word. B-O-N-A-F-I-D-E. The pronunciation of the word is bona fide. Bona fide. And the meaning of the word is genuine. And the origin is Latin. So it has many meanings. Genuine, real, or sincere. Example, she was a bona fide student. So bona fide. Next one, B-O-N-V-O-Y-A-G-E. When you have V-O-Y-A-G-E as a separate word, the pronunciation is voyage. But when it is V-O-N-V-O-Y-A-G-E, the pronunciation is bon voyage. Bon voyage. The meaning is happy journey. So if you want to bid anyone happy journey, you can say bon voyage. And the explanation is good wishes to someone about to set off on a journey. Bon voyage. The next word, E-N-M-A-S-S-E. My dear students, these are all foreign words. So, you have to be very careful while you read the word. The pronunciation may be different one. And the pronunciation of E-N-M-A-S-S-E is OMAS. OMAS. The meaning is as a whole, and it is French origin. The meaning is altogether, as a whole, and in one body. Example, the people were emigrating en masse. So the word is en masse. the next word, E-N-R-O-U-T-E. You see the pronunciation, en route, en route. The meaning is on the way, and it is French origin. And the definition is along, while traveling from or to a particular place. Example, we stopped for a picnic en route. The next one, F-A-I-T-A-C-C-O-M-P-L-I. The pronunciation is fait accompli, fait accompli. And the meaning is unable to change. And it is French origin. And the definition of the word is something already done and irreversible. And that is what is said, unable to change. Example, the policy change was presented to us as a fait accompli. As a fait accompli. And the next word, F-A-U-X-P-A-S. The pronunciation is faux pas. Faux pas. See the pronunciation. While you are reading these words, you have to be very careful. The pronunciation is faux pas. And the meaning is an error. It is a French word. And the definition is an action or a remark that is not socially correct. Example, I made some remark about him and it was a serious faux pas. Next word, F-E-T-E. The pronunciation is fete. It means celebration. It is also a French word, and the definition is a fete is an outdoor entertainment. Example, there was a village fete yesterday. The next word, H-A-B-E-A-S-C-O-R-P-U-S. Can anyone read the word? H-A-B-E-A-S-C-O-R-P-U-S. How to read this word? Habeas corpus. Habeas corpus. And the meaning of the word is common law writ. It is a Latin word. The definition is an order to bring a jailed person before a judge. Europe was first to introduce habeas corpus and the jury system. So it is habeas corpus. And the next word, I-P-S-O-F-A-C-T-O. The pronunciation is, you see, ipso facto. Ipso facto. And the meaning is by the fact itself. And it is a Latin word. The definition is something based on facts. Example, if he is right, then anyone who disagrees with him is ipso facto wrong. And the next word, M-O-D-U-S-O-P-E-R-A-N-D-I. How to read the word? Modus operandi. Modus operandi. The meaning is a way of doing things. And it is also a Latin word. The definition is a particular way of doing something. So, modus operandi is a particular way of doing something. Example, for him, descriptive geometry was the modus operandi of the architect. Next word, Nomdeplume. How to read the word Nomdeplume? Nomdeplume. The meaning is a pen name and it is a French word. A pen name or pseudonym. Example, Klothungan is the nom de plume of V.C. Kulandaisamy. Klothungan is the nom de plume of V.C. Kulandaisamy. The next one, Percapita. The pronunciation is per capita. Per capita. Per means by means of, capita means head. So per capita means per head. Example, the fall in per capita income was one of the signs of the financial crisis. The meaning is per person and it is a Latin word. Precis. Many of us read the word as precis. It is not precis. The exact pronunciation of the word is précis. Précis. And the meaning is a concise summary and it is a French word. Definition of the word is a short form of a text that gives only the important parts. Example, I given a précis of the report. The next word, Primafacie. The pronunciation is prima facie. Prima facie. The meaning is at first sight and it is a Latin word. The definition is apparent, self-evident and at first view. An example, there is prima facie evidence that he was involved in the fraud. Next one. T-E-T-E. Can you read it? How to read it? It is tete-a-tete. Tete-a-tete. And the meaning of tete-a-tete is a private conversation and it is a French word. It is a private conversation between two people. Example, we must have a tete-a-tete sometime. We must have a tete-a-tete sometime. The next one. Viceversa. See the pronunciation. It is vice versa. Vice versa. The meaning is with the order changed. And it is a Latin word. The definition of the word, you see that vice versa is with the order reversed. The other way around. The example. He doesn't trust her and vice versa. That means she also doesn't trust him. next word E-L-I-T-E. Can anyone read the word E-L-I-T-E? How to read it? It is elite. Many of us read it as elite, but it is not elite. It is elite. It means royal group. It's a Latin word. See the definition. The most powerful, rich, gifted, or educated members of a group or community, etc. Example, she is a member of the elite. Next word, A-L-I-B-I. Read the word. Alibi? Alibi? No. It is alibi. See the pronunciation. It is alibi. And the meaning of the word is false evidence. And it is a Latin word. The evidence given to prove this or an excuse. That is the definition of alibi. Example, his wife was his alibi. See the next word. Can anyone read the word? S-T-A-T-U-S-Q-U-O. How to read it? It is status quo. See the pronunciation. Status quo. The meaning is current situation. It is also a Latin word. The situation as it is now is a definition. Example, they wanted a return to the status quo before the war. Next one, H-O-M-I-E. How to read the word? It is homie. Don't read it as homie. It is not homie. It is homie. And the meaning is homeboy. It is an American word. See the meaning. A member of one's peer group or gang. Example, he is a homie. Next one, M-E-M-O-R-I-A-M. Can anyone read the word? Yes, try. It is memoriam. Memoriam. The meaning is in memory of. It is also a Latin word. In memory of or as a memorial to is the meaning of memorial. Example, the Taj Mahal is built in memoriam of Mumtaz. What's the next word? N-O-U-V-E-A-U-R-I-C-H-E. See the pronunciation. Nouveau riche. Nouveau riche. And the meaning, தமிழ்ல ஒரு proverb இருக்கு. அற்பனுக்கு வாழ்வு வந்தால் அர்த்த ராத்திரியில் குடைபிடிப்பான்னு சொல்ற பாத்தீங்களா? அந்த அர்த்தம் தான். See that. People who have recently become rich is the meaning of nouveau riche. It is a French word. Explanation. People who have recently become rich and like to show how rich they are in a very obvious way. Example, the restaurant is popular with the city's nouveau riche. The next word, Dejavu. Can you read it? I think you might have heard this word in any of Tamil movies. Dejavu. Yes, it is deja vu. What is deja vu? It means a new situation as if it had occurred before. It is a French word. See the meaning. The strange feeling that is in some way you have already experienced what is happening now. Example, the movie has a strong sense of deja vu about that movie. See the next word, verbatim. The pronunciation, verbatim, verbatim, verbatim. It means exactly. It is a Latin word. The definition is exactly as spoken or written. Example, he reported the speech verbatim. Next word, visa, vis. The pronunciation is many of us read it as visa vis or visa vis. No, the pronunciation is visa v, visa v. It is a French word. See the definition, face to face with opposite. The soldier met his enemy vis-a-vis. Next word, exgratia. Can you read it? Ex gratia. It is not ex gratia, it is ex gratia. The meaning is as a gift of favor. It is a Latin word. See the meaning? As a gift of favor, not because there is a legal duty to do it. Example, the sum was paid ex gratia. The next word, rapport. The pronunciation is rapport. Rapport. T is silent, my dear students. The letter T is silent, so the pronunciation is rapport. The meaning, a friendly relationship. A friendly relationship, and it is also a French word. See the meaning? A friendly relationship in which people understand each other very well. Example, there was little rapport between two women. What's this? VIAMEDIA. Via media. Via media. The pronunciation is via media and the meaning is a middle course. It is a Latin word. See the meaning? A compromise between two extremes. Prema suggested a via media to avoid tension among relatives. So far, my dear students, you might have listened to a list of